According to a notice of federal tax lien issued by the Internal Revenue Service, Sorensen Pacific Broadcasting owes more than $290,000 in Social Security for its employees dating back to 2009. A copy of the lien has been posted at the Department of Land Management and with the courts and will remain there until the company makes good on its obligations to the federal government. Revenue Tax Director John Camacho.
A tax lien is basically an attachment to property, and it's basically filed to protect the government interest on unpaid taxes. Generally, that's what it is. Filing the land management is very crucial because it attaches to the taxpayer's property, and it becomes a notice to the public that's, hey, this person particularly owes taxes.
According to the IRS, a tax lien is only issued after the agency assesses the liability, sends a notice and demand for payment, and one is never made. The tax lien issued in November of last year gave notice that taxes, including interest and penalties, have been assessed against Sorensen Pacific Broadcasting, and the IRS made a demand for payment of the liability, but it remains unpaid. The lien acts as a notice to creditors that the government has a claim to the property that the business owns. The lien indicates that Social Security has not been paid for 4 tax periods in 2009, 1 tax period in 2010, and 2 tax periods in 2011. SMG President Rex Sorensen tells KUAM they are taking care of what they owe to the federal government through a payment plan. When asked why the company failed to pay the Social Security for their employees, Sorensen said he was injured at the time and wasn't at the company to ensure the payments were made. He wouldn't say when the amounts owed to the federal government would be satisfied, saying the payment plan he made with the IRS is private. KUAM contacted the IRS for comment, but Revenue Officer Ralph Fuller, who's handling Sorensen's case, says the agency cannot make any comments about the matter. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Indy Egan.